Hello class and welcome to ACLT 053 for week 4. For this week in ACLT 053 you have one major assignment, and that is the Cornell note-taking assignment. You may recall that you've done Cornell notes in the technology or the tech module, and you're going to do the same for this module. So where I am right now is in the calendar tab, and I've clicked on it. I can look to see what's coming up due, and I recommend looking at the calendar tab each time that you log on to Blackboard. And then I see that the Cornell note-taking is coming up due, and where I find that information is actually in the assignments tab, the actual Cornell Notes assignments. So I'm going to go to that with you. There's the Assignments tab, and you scroll down to the EDUC Assignment 1, Cornell Notes, and you will see that. As with the Tech module, you will be taking Cornell Notes on one of the articles that you have come across in the EDUC module, or one of the videos, if you so choose. When you open the tab in Assignments, you will see the assignment and the rubric. I'm going to go ahead and go to the actual assignment, which is the Cornell Notes, and there you have it. It's a template that's fillable. You can type on the template. You will, of course, write your name, the title of the article or video, and the author. You'll be writing down the questions you have, the main ideas about the article on the left side, and extended notes, examples, answers, and sentences on the right. And at the very end, you will be giving me a four-sentence summary of the article and or video. So that's pretty much Cornell Notes, and that's pretty much what's due for this week. I hope that this was helpful. Thank you.